Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to turn off text chat in Overwatch 2. So without any further ado, let's get started. First open Overwatch 2 on your PC, tap the menu icon from the top right corner. From the main screen, click on Options menu. In the Settings menu, click on the Social tab from the list at the top. Next, click on Text Chat from the left side. Here you'll see options like Receiver Whispers, Group Text Chat, Team Text Chat, and Match Text Chat. To turn off text chat completely, set all these options to off. You can also turn off individuals one if you still want to chat with your friends but not with the public. Close the menu and return to the game. Now text messages won't appear during your matches, and that's how you can turn off text chat in Overwatch 2.